Hello and welcome to the Scientific Adventures of Beardman. Today we're going to be looking at, for the second time actually, the electric force skill on positivePhysics.org. It's in Unit 19 for electric force. I've already done one video explaining how to do the skill. Today I want to focus on how to use an online calculator to be able to solve that. So just a quick reminder, we learned that Coulomb's law talks to us about two forces attracting and repelling. There's a constant that is involved in that, two charges measured in coulombs, and the distance between them. By the way, sometimes you'll see that as a D instead of an R, and meters is the units for that. And we went through a whole page talking about how to rearrange the equation if you're solving for R or one of the charges. So today I want to take a look at this problem and how to use an online calculator to solve it. All right, so I minimize that. And so you can see I've typed in here into this Desmos Scientific Calculator. I search for that Desmos Scientific Calculator, or if you want, it's just desmos.com/scientific. And you'll get a scientific calculator here you can use. So now we want to create a formula in this setup. So we want to multiply K times Q1 times Q2 and divide all of that by R squared. So we come in here to make sure we get the numerator all being the numerator. I'm going to use a couple of parentheses here. I'm going to put each value inside of a parentheses. So K is going to go inside of this first parentheses, and K is 9 times 10. And then I'm going to use this AB to go into an exponent times 10 to the 9th. Okay, we aren't going to put units here. I'm going to use the right arrow key to go out of the exponent into the normal function, and I'm going to click end parentheses. I'll open it up to now put Q1. Q1, as we can see, is right here. We're going to use the left atom, so 6.6. Whoops, I forgot. When you go to a different tab, it always takes you to the end. So let me go back inside that parentheses, and I got 6.41 E, which is times 10 to the, hit the AB button again, whoops, AB button, and this time it's negative 19. Okay. Once again, right arrow to go out of the exponent, and end parentheses and begin parentheses for Q2. So now we're on to Q2, which is our second Q here. And so make sure we're in the right place, 1.12. And I'm just using my keyboard to type the numbers here, but you could also click on the screen, 1.12, and then E, which means times 10 to the, so then we have to do A, B to the, and this is negative 18. Right arrow to go out of the exponent, close parentheses, and we've already got the second parentheses closed, so I'm going to right arrow past that. Now I can divide. Okay, I use the slash on the keyboard, but you could also click right here, the divide. And now we want R squared. Well, since we want R, we'll put R inside the parentheses and put the squared outside that. So R squared is what we're doing right now. R is right here. So back to our thing here, 3.02 times 10. And then we want the AB to the negative 10th. Right arrow to go back to normal size, close parenthesis, and now we want to square it, so we'll go AB, and we'll put a 2. And there is our answer, 6.08. And we can see, oops, there we go. 7.08, 7.09, just because of some little functions here, but if you put 7.08 in, it'll give you the answer here. And once again, we change the times 10 to the to an E, negative 8. All right. Good luck using that. If you can use another calculator as well. If you're using a physical calculator, you're going to take a test on this in class. Make sure you know how to use your physical calculator. Your teacher should be able to help you step through how to use a physical calculator to accomplish this same task. Thanks for learning with us here on the Scientific Adventures of the Beard Man. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.